My name is Cynthia and I'm going to talk about the Calflora Observer Pro phone application. First, register in the upper right of the calflora.org homepage as a data contributor. Once you're a data contributor, then you'll be able to add your wild plant observations to the Calflora database. Then, go out in the field with your phone app and log in using the email address and password that you just created on the website as a data contributor. You can choose from these three projects: advanced, rare, or simple. We'll start with the advanced. And then you hit observe. Under observe, you'll have an option to choose the plant, either by scientific name or by common name. And you can look at all plants, recent plants, common native plants, or you can have your own special lists in there also. Once you start searching, the selection will be narrowed down by what you've typed so far. You select the one that you'd like, the species that you're looking at, and say select. Then you have the option to take 3 pictures in those 3 photo slots and add any notes. The map location will be automatically pulled in from where you are. The radius as an optional field, and then it draws the circle based on what you wrote. The location description, the habitat. You can choose from any of these: forest, forest edge, open woodland, scrub, shrubland, grassland, whatever's appropriate. Number of plants, and you don't have to fill all these in, but you can. The phenology, distribution, gross area, and this will be automatically filled in if you have a polygon, and percent cover. Management status is another optional field, and then you save it. You can also use our rare plant form, which is based on CNDDB fields. You have the same options, scientific or common under plant name. You can start typing. Autocorrect for spelling can be annoying, but if you type the check mark, it's okay. It'll take it. Choose the fur that you're looking at. Take 3 photos if you'd like to. Map is where you are. Describe the location again. Habitat, landowner, unit, slope, aspect, site conditions, surrounding land use, threats. All these fields come from the CNDDB form. Then you save it, and once you have your observations in, you can choose to upload them. Once you've uploaded your observations, the important next step is to go back to the Calflora website, calflora.org, where you're logged in. Go to My Observations, and you'll see your observations published or not here. And you click on the ID, go to Edit, and you can edit here. You can change the scientific name, the common name. Automatically your name is pulled in and today's date, time, and fill in the fields. This is for the rare plant. You can also change the project here if you want to have the other fields. Let's draw a polygon. Drop some vertices in. Stop drawing, save it, and you can calculate, let's see, go back into edit, calculate what the elevation is here, 20 meters, that's about right. Location accuracy, 10 meters, that's based on my cell phone. That's not great. You can add photos here. Here we go. Calculate in acres. So about 2 acres was that polygon that I drew. And the management status. And then make sure you publish it if it's a real, not just a test record. I'm just going to keep this private for now. And save it. Here you go back to the home page, and you can go back to your observations and decide about publishing your records. If you have any questions, go to the Calflora homepage, scroll down to Contact Calflora, and we would be happy to help.